Turning 18 lets you apply for a card, but approval works differently. Age gets you in the door, but it doesn't guarantee you'll get approved. At 18, you can apply, yet issuers still need to see you can repay. And if you're under 21, there are extra hoops. No job doesn't automatically disqualify you because income can include money you can reasonably access. If you get denied, a secured card is often the clean reset. You can also start as an authorized user, and for your first card, watch out for sneaky fees. The biggest confusion is that having a card can mean 3 different roles, and age rules change for each. To be the primary account holder, you generally need to be 18. And under 21, you may have to show income or a real ability to pay. As an authorized user, you can be added at almost any age, and you're not legally liable for the balance. A cosigner is different. They're fully responsible if you don't pay. Either way, expect to provide ID so the issuer can verify your identity. If you're applying, approval often comes down to how you fill out the income and housing parts, not just your age. Start by confirming the issuer's age rule, then list your independent income, money you earn or receive regularly. If you're under 21, you may also be allowed to include accessible household income, meaning funds you can use to pay the bill. You'll also enter your monthly housing payment and other debt payments. With limited history, expect a lower starting limit and plan around it. For ages 18 to 20, the fastest path is choosing the right starter route based on what you can prove. If you can document income, you have a better shot because issuers may require proof. If you can't, being an authorized user can act like a bridge while you build history. Students may qualify through student-focused cards that match school life budgets. If approvals are still tough, a secured card backed by a deposit can be the most reliable. Once you're 21 plus, unsecured starter approvals usually get easier, but protect your first score from day one. Getting the first card is only half the job. Using it right protects your credit and avoids expensive mistakes. Set autopay for at least the minimum so you never miss a payment. New cards often have low limits, so your utilization can spike fast. Even $300 on a $500 limit is 60%. Remember, the statement date is what gets reported, not the due date, so paying before the statement can help. Carrying a balance is an expensive habit, and cash advances usually have no grace period. If you're an authorized user, only do it with someone whose spending you trust. On a $500 starter limit, a normal $300 spend can show as 60% utilization if it hits your statement. If you want a card that fits your age, credit profile, and spending, CreditCardAgent matches you in about 3 minutes and shows the estimated dollar difference versus your current card. No login and no credit check. Links in the description.